DJM TV.
Nigerians don react as U.S President Joe Biden don revoke the travel ban on Nigeria. Country brother and sister, I welcome una to another edition of your favorite program DJM TV Daily News Update, where we dey update una on things wey dey happen around us so that we sef go know how we take dey carry about our daily activities. The matter wey we bring come so na very sweet matter to some people. Although some people, most people don dey pray for sins. You know say at a certain time, the President of the United States of America, the ex-president now Donald Trump, been placed travel ban on some countries, and those countries include Nigeria. At that point, we got dey happy say at least that time be the heat of this pandemic wahala. We got dey say, thank God, at least our leaders they no go wrong, go US, or this time they go dey their country. All these kind of matters. But you know say many people don't dey where they hope to travel, go America. You know say they say America na the land of dreams. So many people don't dey where they hope say, oh, they go travel, go America and all of that. That they're happy. So when they got place the travel ban on Nigeria and some other countries, then the thing can't really break people heart. The travel ban where they place be say Nigerians and people from the other country, about 6 other countries, then they go fit visit the US, but they no fit become citizens, like permanent citizens of the US. They no fit get a green card, all those kind of matters. So now just a matter of go come, you not fit settle there. The thing break people heart well. But what you call the sweet Nigerians and people from other countries be say, as part of the first decrease them when he do, the president of the 46th president of the United States of America, Biden, don't reverse the ban and some other things the way Donald Trump put in place. Make we tell that some of the things then when some of the things where Donald Trump do when this new president come now, because say no, we will not do it like this. As part of the effort to make things go well, he don sign about 15 executive orders. He said first of all, now to boost, say the first order when he signed, now to boost the federal response to the pandemic wahala, and while the other orders now to reverse some of the things the way the Trump administration they put for ground. He said all they said to work. He said there's no time to waste at all when it comes to the tackling of crisis that we face as a nation. And so the president take Twitter for his official Twitter handle. So he said go take action, not be just to reverse all the gravest damages of the Trump administration. He said, but now also to move the country forward. Get plenty things where they're going to introduce plenty measures to tackle the pandemic wahala. So some of the orders when he give, first of all, be say they compulsory now to wear face masks and to practice physical distancing for all federal government property. We don't say after some time people call the coppers and say no, they're not going to wear face masks or US. Even the former president sometimes they wear face masks. And you know say they say you should not wear, and the thing go they spread, the more they go. So now Biden don't come to say it dey compulsory for everybody, for federal government property. As long as you want to enter into a concern federal government, you must wear your face mask and you must practice physical distancing. So they go also set up one new office where go coordinate the response to the pandemic wahala, and the US go stop the process when the Trump administration been start as they withdraw from the World Health Organization. Oga Biden don also play say he go take the fight against climate change as one of the top priority for this administration. He also signed executive order to start the process when the US go take join the 2015 Paris climate agreement. You know say last year Donald Trump be withdraw US comot for that Paris climate agreement. But now the new president don come to say US go join am again. US go join World Health Organization again. And then e get one Keystone SL pipeline wey dem bin dey build. We go recall say dat pipeline na Barack Obama na im be veto one bill before they take approve the construction of the pipeline for 2015, but President Trump bin come change the decision. The pipeline dey privately financed and dem estimate am go cost about $8 billion, and e go carry about 830 barrels of heavy crude one day from the oil wells of Alberta for Canada to Nebraska. So for the first phone call wey President Biden make to one foreign leader for wey be the Canadian Prime Minister Justin on Friday, dem tok say dem go revoke the presidential permit wey dem give the controversial Keystone SL pipeline. And you know say environmentalists and Native American group don dey fight dis thing for more than 1 decade now. And then for the matter wey come really dey make people dey for Nigeria and their belle dey sweet dem, na the matter of immigration. President Biden don tok say im go comot the Trump administration emergency declaration wey go help fund the building of a wall along Mexican border. One of the things wey the guy do, e bin dey build one wall. You know say America and Mexico dey share border. So Donald Trump don be approve money before make dem take build the wall to take demarcate Mexico and border sake of all this terrorism and all this wahala before. But President Biden na don tok say no, dem go stop the building of the wall. And also e say e go end the one travel ban on majority Muslim countries. E say e go end the travel ban and e also lift the travel ban wey dem place on Nigeria, Yemen, Iran, Somalia, Libya, Sudan, Syria, Tanzania, North Korea, Chad and Venezuela. The travel ban on dis international country travelers from dis country before na wetin Donald Trump administration place. Dat time some people be happy but the thing na I come dey tell on the few ones wey be say dem wan really go the US for legit purpose dem. So as e lift up dis ban na, the thing sweet people well. Another thing wey e even come do wey come see sweet Americans, say e give 2 executive order wey go be financial relief to Americans wey lost their job as a result of dis pandemic. It also prolong student loan. That one now, student wey be dey owe money wey dey pay back, e don give them more time to take pay back. And say in order to address the issue of this racial difference, like all this Black Lives Matters and all those things, and inequality within United States, say the government and the agency don give 3 executive order for that regard, so that people from different tribe and different race dem go fit dey coexist for the US without wahala. Many people don react to, some people say they don personally thank the man sake of say e lift the ban on Nigeria. Well, how you see this matter? E sweet you abi e no sweet you? Say the new president wey don come for the United States of America don decide say Nigerians now go fit travel come US and dem fit get green card for US. The thing good? How you see am? E make sense? Abi make the ban continue? Well, for me, I see am say na better step. So when people wan go school now, dem fit go school, a job opportunity come, dem go fit still settle for that side if dem wan settle for that side. Well, this na the where we take come to the end of our news today. Abeg make you no forget to like and to share this video. In case you never subscribe, abeg, work, subscribe, hit the notification bell. So that anytime we drop video, you go dey get notification say, hey, they don put one better video for there wey go give you correct informate. Well, me wey dey bring you this news, my name na Lawuro Favour.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM